Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and this is honestly my favorite summer buy. This is a wireless speaker. It is a Bluetooth as well. Works any Bluetooth media player. It works up to 60 feet away, believe it or not. And this has a state-of-the-art sound quality, and it is not kidding. This works amazing. You can crank it up as loud as you want, and the quality is clear as a bell. I love the fact that you can dunk this thing upside down and flip it back up. The sound doesn't change. It is amazing. You can hear the music under the water as well when you flip it. It's so cool. And then at nighttime, you have this amazing light show, all different colors as well. You could pick your setting. You have the 4 buttons on the top. The one turns it on, and it is also your play button for your music. You have your charger as well. This lasts up to 8 hours, and it does. I have used this thing constantly all summer. We absolutely love it. Then you have at the top your button to change your colors, and you can pick anything if you want a single color, if you want to have a light show. You can put this in the tub as well for babies because it's fun. They're gonna look at the water and think it's absolutely fun. So you get so many uses out of this. I love the amazing quality, but that's just my point of view.